Hi everyone. This video we're going to take a look at Garageband and how we can use it to make podcasts and music. I'll also show you how to save it to iTunes or also upload it as an MP3 file. But first we need to open up Garageband itself. In order to do that, go ahead to the top right, click on the magnifying glass, and then type in Garageband. You'll notice that the icon is a guitar and a stereo. Go ahead and double click where it says Applications. You will then be brought to this image here. Click on Empty Project, and then choose. This process usually takes a few seconds if you've not opened up GarageBand before, but do not be discouraged. All right, your next step is then to click on the microphone and hit Create. Okay, I'm going to first show you how to record your voice, but before we do that, we need to get rid of a few things. Number one, we do not need these knobs at the bottom. So in order to get rid of that, we're going to go to the top left and click on the knob button. Okay, our next step is to record our voice. You'll notice in the top middle, we have the red dot. If we click on the red dot, it will begin recording. Come over here. You 1, 2, 3, and 4. This gives you 1, 2, 3. It's a nice count in before you need to start speaking. This, we really don't need. Make sure this is unclicked. All right, it will just get in your way. All right, so once I click this, you will notice it goes 1, 2, 3, and I will begin speaking. My voice now, you can see, is showing up as audio waves. The louder I talk, the bigger the waves. Okay, I'm going to hit stop now with the pause button. Now if I wanted to replay this, I would then take my cursor and click where the 1 is. This white line here shows you where your starting sound will be. In order to play, you can either click the play button over here or click the space bar. My voice now, you can see, is showing up as audio waves. Okay. Now let's say, hey, I would like to add some mellow music in the background. This is how you're going to add music or other beats. Go over to the top right. You'll notice that there is a loop. Click the loop button. You will have a ton of selections. This can be from different instruments and different genres. Click on instrument, you can see the variety. Click on genre. They have a ton of different song types and beats. Right now, I'm just going to go to instrument, click on piano, and I'm going to find a piano that I find interesting. In order to get one of these to play, you click on it. Okay, I didn't like it, so I clicked on it again. I'm going to try to find another one. Okay, not too bad. Nope, way too much. I'm going to stick with Panorama Piano. I will click on it, and then I will then drag it below my recording. I want to make sure that it's the same length as my recording. However, if I play these together, you can already tell by the sound waves that my volume of my voice is going to be too soft compared to the piano. Listen. My voice now, you can see, is showing up as audio waves. I now need to decrease the volume of the piano and increase the volume of my voice. So to decrease the volume of the piano, I'm going to take this here, I'm going to drag it to the left. To increase the volume of my audio, I'm going to increase it to the right. Now if I play it again, it should sound much better. My voice now, you can see, is showing up as audio. Now, the piano is a background sound instead of the forefront. So let's say this is my final product. Hopefully it isn't, because I think you're going to be doing a lot more than that. But in order to upload this to iTunes, we will then hit Share. Click on Song to iTunes, and then you can type in whatever the audio is. I'm going to say audio test, and completely fill it out. Then hit Share. Once you hit Share, this will open up into iTunes, and you can play it from your Mac. Now, if you would like to share this to a disk or share it to another file, you're going to click on Export Song to Disk. This will take you to this section. Then you can select whatever folder or whatever desktop documents or downloads, wherever you'd like to put it, and it'll download it as an MP3. You'll then be able to access this podcast or song from anywhere. All right. So if you have any questions, please let me know. I hope this gave you a quick, easy understanding of how to use GarageBand. Thanks.